Okay, now we talk about the auto sequin. This icon is auto sequin. We click. The mouse left button represents the straight line point. The right is curve point. After input, we use enter to confirm the input. And auto sequin, so many things can be settings, like the shape, the sequin color, and others. And here we set the distance, and we can check the effect. And then we can set the type as you wish. For some very complex sequence, we can use this custom settings. Custom. We clicked it. And here is how we can set the multi-sequin rules. We can set the sequin type and the repeat times, and the effect like this. And according to the user's settings, we can also set the sequin like motor pattern and size and the colors. Yes, like this.